Come on, let's hear a hiccup.
Little one.
So cute. We think you're funny. You're very cute, Kyler.
He is, huh?
Oh.